Welcome to Deutsch Learning with Naaz. Learn more, explore more. In this video, we will learn
types of birds in German. So let's get started. Bird in German, Vogel. Once again, Vogel. Duck in German, Ente. Once again, Ente. Eagle in German, Adler. Once again, Adler. Did you know? The eagle is the emblem of the Federal Republic of Germany. Now move to the next one. Peacock. In German, Pfau. Once again, Pfau. Crow. In German, Krähe. Once again, Krähe. Owl. In German, Eule. Once again, Eule. Goose. In German, Gans. Once again, Gans. Pelican. In German, Pelican. Once again, Pelican. Flamingo. In German, Flamingo. Once again, Flamingo. Thanks for watching. Danke.
Well done. For German worksheets, do visit Learn German with Naaz, patreon.com. Thanks for learning with me. Do subscribe my channel and hit the like button. For the latest update, do not forget to click on the bell icon.